Okay, today is March 4th, 2012, and we're looking at the pen that was here when we came. I already started pulling some netting roofing off the top, and now my dear husband is pulling off the side panels that were there. And haven't decided yet whether the coop's going on the outside where he's standing or if we'll put one inside. So we got today a couple cinder block type stones that the supports will go on. Yeah, things are so ugly. Just don't like the metal panels. So I'm happy to have them off. We may end up using them for roofing, I don't know. We shall see. I want to get it down, get everything down, and then we'll take it from there. Coming down pretty easy, huh? Oh, he can't even hear me. He's got his earplugs. He's listening to his MP3 player. This roof is just about had it. Previous owners had their chickens in here. They didn't have any coop per se. They just had roosts in here. So the critters didn't really bother them. Kind of hard to believe. And then over here is a little pen that they used to raise quail in. This one's 5 by 8, 5 by 9, something like that. So if nothing else, my little chicken babies will have some place to stay out, get some sunshine once they settle out, and should the coop not be completely finished at the time, they'll have some place to come for some fresh air, and I'll just bring them in at night. So that needs some work too. So much needs work. And these are a bunch of panels that came off the side of the pen. They had them all along the base of the pen. So I don't know what we'll do with those, but I'm not pitching them out at the moment. Back in this area, I want to close this portion off behind me and use this portion that we're looking at now as fix it up and make that the goat pen. Access to the outside there, and access to the outside there to get into. And there's a little pasture area back in here that we'd have to fence off with electric fencing or whatever when the time came. And you can see I got a couple bags of black cow fertilizer over there. Gotta fix up that garden, maybe get it going. Of course, our burn pile. Got lots to burn. So, oh, what a mess. But I hope in the very near future we'll have a nice little spot for our new babies, these 6 babies that are coming in the mail next week. Sure wish there was a good way of pulling that little playhouse that's not used into this area, but we'd have to do that with the truck or whatever. And once we pulled it in, how would the truck get out? So it's like one of those things. Oh well, we'll figure something out for this area. Alright, I'm getting out of here before a roof falls on me. Looking good so far. Yahoo!